So I'm going to call this Thai pork sausage rice. We've got some Thai basil in there, a lovely Chinese stroke Thai sausage. It's very, very simple and it's absolutely delicious. Let's get on with it. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great Food. Okay, so you just saw the pork sausage that I'm using. Now I'm using half of that, like 220 grams or something like that. Rice. Now, I've got cold cooked rice. I always find that cold rice works so much better than hot or warm rice. That was actually cooked yesterday, put in the fridge. It's going to be beautiful. Onion, chopped nice and small. I've got some fresh chili there. The amount you put in is entirely up to you. And then we've got like a tablespoon of garlic and ginger there, cut up. Here I've got some holy basil or Thai basil, whatever you want to call that. Soy. I've got soy sauce here. I'm using a light soy sauce. That's about it. We're going to get to the cooker. This is super easy and delicious. Okay, so you're going to need a wok or a pan or something like that. I'm using my favorite wok at the moment. And in there I've got some oil. I'm using a sesame oil. We're going to start by adding in our chopped onion, our garlic, the ginger, and our sausage. I've cut that quite thin, and we're on quite a high heat, and I'll be back in about 3 minutes. Keep it moving all the time. So very few ingredients in this, but they're all beautiful. We're now going to add in the chili. Now that's not super massively hot, that chili. I mean, it's hot, but not crazy. Black pepper. And our light soy. Now I'm not going to be using any salt in this because the soy sauce is quite salty. Add some if you want. 3 more minutes on this high heat, then we're ready to add our rice. Super easy and super delicious. Now time for our rice. Like I say, cooked rice. I'm using a basmati rice, 1 day old. It was in the fridge last night. It's going to work out really nicely. We're going to go still on a high heat for about 4 or 5 minutes, stirring pretty much all the time. We are so nearly done. Okay, off goes the heat. That is absolutely gorgeous. Now we've got our Thai basil, which I just like to put in whole like that. You can break a few if you want. Get it in. If you don't have this, you can maybe put some cilantro or coriander in. I'm going to give that a little mix. See you at the table. Okay, and there you go, just serving that with a nice fried egg. Hope you enjoy that. We'll see you very, very soon. Lots of love.